That Scott's a bramper.
Yeah, I am the real slugger. Hit it, Doc.
Yeah.
All your dandies branding the boat.
Yo, batter up. I'm batting 1,000. Batting 1,000. Batting 1,000. Hey, look at me, Ma. I'm batting 1,000. Batting 1,000. Batting 1,000. Yeah. I am the real slugger. I eat your sandwiches. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. No problem. It's gone now. Eat my dust. Let's waste them. You seeing this? We got the spy. Get this spy. Stop. Let's do this. You look at you? I mean, look at you. You're getting dominated, Chucklehead. You're like a car crash in slow motion. It's like I'm watching you fly through a windshield. Oh, yeah! Drink it in, pal. That's how failure tastes. Ain't so hard now, are you fat cakes? Where's your precious hippo crates? Drop dead and give me pancakes. The clock just got cleaned, dummy. Good catch, dummy. Good hands, buddy. Real smooth, dummy. Them $200 bullets ain't so hot, but they don't hit nothing. If you didn't want me to kill you, you should have said something. Yo, did you even see me hitting you? I bet you got a real good view of me killing you. Yeah, I dare you. Rage quit. Come on, make us both happy. I am owning you, you fat bald ass. Those hard arteries don't stop bullets, do they? Repeat after me. Eat a salad. Fatty. Christ! The clock's moving backwards. Would you guys give up? Come on. You all suck. No, seriously. Christ! The clock's moving backwards. Would you guys give up? Come on. You all suck. I don't usually kill morons this fast. Here's a schematic for you. My ass. Real nice effort, Deutsch bag. I hate doctors. Take that, you shape-shifting rat. Hard to stab a guy in the back when he's beating your freaking head in, huh? No. This guy's ass. Ooh, your gun shoots medicine. Yes. It's intimidating. Pop quiz. How long does it take to beat a moron to death? Sorry, time's up. You're dead. You get a closed casket at the Ugly Cemetery. Boom! I'm back, dummy. Remember me? Yeah, you do. Don't you ever cross me again. Look at this. Just caved in your skull. My bat's still dry. No clumps of hair. Nothing. You see that? If you order now, I'll throw in a second beating. Absolutely free. Woo!